what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you. So girl, won't you tell me how to tell her about you?
How can I tell her I don't miss her whenever I'm away? How can I say it's you I think of every single night and day?
But when is it easy having someone go through? How me tell her about you? How can I tell her about you? Girl, please tell me what to do. Everything seems right whenever I'm with you.